Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how I make this hibiscus and pomegranate drink. For this drink, I use water, lemons, sugar, pomegranate, and dried hibiscus leaves. Start with de-seeding the pomegranate. Put the seeds in a blender along with a little bit of water. Blend it preferably until it's completely smooth. Then strain it to get rid of the pulp. So that is it for the pomegranate juice. Set it aside and in a different bowl or in a jug, brew the hibiscus tea. All I did was add boiling hot water to the dried hibiscus leaves, and then I allowed it to sit until it completely cooled down. In the meantime, I made some simple syrup by combining an equal amount of water and sugar. Let it simmer over low fire until the sugar dissolves. Let that cool as well, and do not forget to juice the lemons. Then strain the hibiscus and add the simple syrup, add the pomegranate juice, add lemon juice, mix it, and there you have it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys.